Epic has introduced Megalights, an experimental feature in Unreal Engine 5.5. This new technology allows the use of much more dynamic lights than previously possible, all capable of casting realistic area shadows and illuminating volumetric fog. During the demonstration, a scene containing over 1,000 shadow-casting lights was rendered in real time on PlayStation 5, showcasing the capabilities of Megalights. The feature is currently in experimental phase in EU 5.5. Blender 3D 4.4 Alpha has been made available to everyone. So far, the Vulkan format, USD, and overlay engine have been updated. Adobe releases After Effects 25.0. The update introduces a new look of the interface with multiple visual themes, sorts out the user interface when importing 3D models, and adds new options to control text styling with expressions. The update also improves hardware acceleration in Windows, making the interface significantly faster. SpeedTree 10 released, with vines, freehand trimming, net rigging, and more. Unity has announced the release of SpeedTree Modeler 10, the latest version of its standalone botanical modeling software. This update includes mesh helpers that allow users to manipulate champion meshes using curves for more granular control over branches. The new vine generator adds physics-based tools for creating gravity and environment-responsive vines, with procedural and manual control options. The software now includes a trimming brush, allowing you to directly transform trees and offering flexible trimming modes. Chaos releases first beta of V-Ray 7. Chaos Scatter has received several updates, including the introduction of an instance brush that allows users to paint and modify scattered objects in the scene, as well as the addition of distribution maps. A new Firefly removal algorithm has been added, improving the quality of final renders by eliminating bright, distracting artifacts. Render start times have been optimized using Chaos Dispel, and V-Ray fur generation has been improved for faster hair rendering. HDR images also load more efficiently in this version. Octane Render 2024.1 released. Key features include a new OSL-enabled PostFX shader graph system and texture nodes in the AOV compositor, as well as powerful AOV denoising nodes for both GPU and CPU. These features allow for detailed control of denoising and custom composition effects. Adobe has released Photoshop 26.0, the latest version of its image editing software. The update adds new AI-powered features, including a distraction remover option in the Remove tool that allows you to automatically identify and remove background objects from images. Additionally, two generative AI features, Generate Background and Generate Similar, have moved from beta to stable software.